Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make this sound using just Filterverse as a synthesizer. No external synth or anything, just Filterverse. So it's a sine wave. But this sine wave have a meta knob, as you can see on the left over here. And let's hear it. Okay, so let's remove the delay. We can even remove the evil filter. So we just have a sine wave. And now we have another ADSR that controls the shape, which gives an extra pluck. Too much? Alright, we want to add extra harmonics, so we're using another oscillator, which is octave down, a little bit off tune, but we don't have to make it off tune at the beginning. Yeah, this one will control the phase. Next one, we have another oscillator that also been controlled by this phase. Creates kind of a vowel sound. And then we have ADSR, that the ADSR also controls the audio level of this one. Let's just hear this. So we have an octave higher, and we have an octave lower, with all this FM goodness. And now we're controlling the amount of FM with the meta knob. So this top right is how much the meta knob controls the FM. So when it's nothing, you don't hear it, but when I turn the meta knob on, and then I do another knob for stereo enhancement stuff. So reverbs on left and right, different diffuse on left, right. So it gives an extra kind of space. We have tempong. It's a little bit being side chained by the ADSR. So every time I hit a note, the delay volume goes down. And we have the evil filter that use warp mode, which has wavefolding as a distortion. So it gives this beautiful, warmer, let's say, also more digital sound in the high frequencies, but kind of warmer and broken in the lowers. Alright, so that's another demo of using Filterverse as a synthesizer. I hope you enjoy exploring.